this is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2024 Kia Cerato, stock number 6756. This ran from the 4th 2018 to the current shape. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear 18-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen seating stereo, interior mirror, front carousel light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,